Thank y'all so much for joining us today. It's going to be a long day, but it's going to be packed full of all kinds of information, and I hope you empower yourself just to learn a little bit more. This class is going to stay up for a long while, so you'll be able to go back and rewatch the videos and reread the posts that are getting put up every day or throughout the day. And I hope that you just go back and study them, do a little bit of research on your own. This is all for educational purposes only. We are not professionals. We are stay-at-home moms who want to know better, to do better. And with all of that, we hope that we can empower you to educate yourself so you can know better, to do better. So right now I'm going to talk to you about, I'm going to give you 7 facts. And these are facts about products that are in stores every single day. Of course, they're in products that are in stores every day, but they're products that you can buy at the store. They're on the shelf, and unfortunately the government doesn't have rules and regulations on some ingredients that have to be listed. So I just want to go over them with you. And so I'm going to read a few of my notes because some of these words are things that you might have learned in science or chemistry class, and that definitely wasn't one of my hot subjects in school that I loved. So I will be reading a little bit from my notes, but and you can always come back and look at it. Keisha posted a few days ago about the Dirty Dozen. So a lot of these ingredients are on the Dirty Dozen. So they are chemicals, they are toxins that are not doing you any good. And if they're not doing you any good, then they're definitely not doing your family, your children, your loved ones any good as well. So let's get this going. So store-bought soaps contain sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a toxic chemical that is used to remove car grease off garage floors. I mean, this can be in your mechanic shop. This can be in your husband's garage. Sodium lauryl sulfate can be very damaging to the skin, as well as a disruptive to the immune system and to hormonal health. Is that something you want on your body, on your skin? I know I definitely don't. Point number 2. Both kids and adult shampoos contain phthalates. Phthalates are toxic chemicals that have been banned in children's toys, but they're still found in body cleansing products today. Phthalates are known to be endocrine disruptors. They're very, very hard for the body to break down when used consistent during bath time. I don't know about you, but I take a bath every single day, and I do not want phthalates on me consistently every single day. I've removed them from my home, and I hope this empowers you to remove them from your home as well. Point number 3, the main ingredient in candles and in home sprays, and probably in some of those other plug-ins that are out there, is formaldehyde. It might not be listed as formaldehyde on the ingredient list if the ingredients are listed, but it's formaldehyde. It's the #1 cancer-causing chemical. It's what we get embalmed with when we go to the morgue. After you pass away and your body, you get embalmed with formaldehyde. Why put that in your body right now? They say inhaling scents from candles and these room sprays is equivalent to inhaling secondhand smoke, which is even more dangerous than actually smoking the cigarette by itself. This is something that we've grown up to know. It's our parents taught us, don't smoke. We learned it in school, don't smoke. But did you realize that the chemicals that are coming off of those candles and those room sprays and things like that are the equivalent to secondhand smoke? It's a scary fact. So let's get the formaldehyde out of our homes, friends. The number 3, store-bought household cleaning products contain 2-butoxyethanol, which is a toxin known to cause sore throats, narcosis, and severe liver and kidney damage. I don't know about you, but I don't want liver or kidney damage. Store-bought laundry detergents. This is the one that just kind of really, really opened my eyes whenever I started learning about chemical-free living. So store-bought laundry detergents and dryer sheets contain alpha terpenol, benzyl alcohol, and camphor. All of these are toxic ingredients that cause central nervous system disorders, loss of muscular coordination, central nervous system depression, headaches, nausea, and vomiting. Just because your laundry smells what you think smells amazing does not mean that all of those products, all those chemicals need to be in your laundry detergent. There's a better way, I promise there's a better way. So another super surprising fact, and this one really hit home. I recently had a grandnephew. I have another one on the way, and I'm super, super excited. So I started doing a little research, of course, because I want to empower myself to know better, to do better. Many baby products contain a listed ingredient, which is fragrance. It's in so many products, not only baby products, but fragrance is going to be listed in a lot of your skincare. It's going to be listed in your laundry, on your products that are in the laundry aisle, and your shampoos, your conditioners. Everything that has a smell, for the most part, is going to have fragrance listed. Well, fragrance is a broad category that hides hundreds of toxic chemicals behind the word itself. Companies are not required to reveal the actual chemicals that are within the fragrance. Hence, that means that the public is in the dark about the true toxicity of the products that we use on our little ones. So in just a minute, you're going to learn about an app, and it's called Think Dirty. And in that app, I just went and I scanned some products on the baby aisle. I will never use store-bought products on my nephews, just so you know that. Or 50 years down the road, whenever I have grandkids, probably won't be 50 years, but whenever I have grandkids, you better believe that I will not be using a product that I can buy on the store shelf that has fragrance listed in it, or that has phthalates in it, or that has alpha terpene or benzyl alcohol or camphor. They will not have those products, not if I have anything to do with it. So, and the last topic that I want to hit on is chemicals that women use on a daily basis. So it's been known, it's been studied, it's been researched that women put over 300 chemicals on their face every single day. And out of these chemicals, you're going to find talc, bismuth, parabens, lead, mercury, and mineral oil. These chemicals are all found in store-bought skincare products and in makeup products, which can disrupt the endocrine system. See, it's got me all worked up. The endocrine system. Ladies, this is key to your hormonal health. You do not need endocrine disruptor in your body. You don't need any of those. The world today is just full of stuff that can affect us, and we're here to empower you. So these products, talc, bismuth, paraben, lead, mercury, and mineral oil, they're highly carcinogenic. If you're not sure what carcinogenic is, I'm not going to tell you right here, but it's something that you can go look up, and it's not something that you want. It's just not. And these products are so, so dangerous. So empower yourself and educate yourself. Learn to read labels. Learn to avoid all of these products that I just spoke on, because you do not want them in your product. Just because it says natural, just because it says organic, just because it says chemical free does not mean that. It doesn't. Another scary fact is that Europe has over 15,000 chemicals that have been banned. And you know how many the United States has? Like nothing near that. So if a product is made here in the United States, it cannot be shipped and put on the shelf in Europe, because their laws are so much stricter. I don't know about you, but I think that it's time that we all empower ourselves and allow ourselves to be educated